Yo, what is going on, guys? So if you're searching for Amazon promo codes in 2026, then you have found the perfect video. I've managed to find probably the best promo codes for Amazon, allowing you to get $100 off your next order. I spent a long time searching Google and trying tons of codes. Most of them give you very little, if anything, off your order. Some of them don't even work, they're expired. So this method of getting Amazon coupon codes is super easy. It takes about 5 minutes, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm always searching for new promo codes for stuff, and yeah, I am gonna be saving you a bunch of money. So what you're gonna want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. Now, I know you're probably on your PC. If you're not, perfect, but if you are, pick up your mobile phone, just have an internet connection. What you're going to want to do to get your Amazon promo code is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So let me just type that in. You can copy that down if you need to. Crash Coupons is a awesome website. I've actually been using these for quite a while. I bookmark them and I always check this website if I want any promo codes. So use the search bar where it says search here at the top of the screen and just type in Amazon, and it's going to bring you to this page here. Now you can see there are 3 verified coupon codes. Now you just need to scroll down and find the Amazon promo code for $100 off at checkout. One thing I will mention, guys, is you need to make sure you add at least $100 to your basket, because some people add like $50 and wonder why this code won't apply. You do need to add like $105 of products and it will reduce it right down. So as you can see, you need to unlock your personal Amazon promo code. This is simply because these are limited. There's a ton of them, but they are limited codes, and it stops people getting like 100+ codes. You can only do this once for $100. So I've already done it. I did this morning. What you're going to want to do is click on that button there, guys, and it is going to bring up a new screen. It tells you what you need to do to unlock your code. I had to complete a couple of free tasks, really easy things like installing apps and stuff, guys. It takes about 5 minutes, but once you do that, it will send you back to Crash Coupons and your Amazon coupon code will be fully revealed here. So this will be unlocked, and the full code will be shown, and you can simply grab your code. It's unique and personal to you, so make sure you use it for yourself, redeem it in the basket, and that is going to save you $100 off your next Amazon order. Go to Crash Coupons, guys, find the Amazon promo code. If you have any questions, let me know, but it is pretty easy. Make sure you follow all of the instructions, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.